Welcome to this technical overview of the power supply and transformer requirements for the S4GA LED PAPI 6.6A system. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to ensure proper power configuration, transformer compatibility, and system safety before commissioning the unit. In order to properly power a full set of 4 PAPI projectors, the CCR must have a minimum power output of 4 kV-amps. This applies regardless of CCR technology, whether it's thyristor, ferroresonant, or IGBT-based. The PAPI power supply is rated for a maximum RMS voltage of 141 volts and a peak voltage of 200 volts. The system is also protected against short over-voltage pulses, as defined by the International Electrotechnical Commission, or IEC 61820-3-4. But exceeding the recommended steady-state levels can result in permanent damage or safety risks. The LED PAPI 6.6A system requires 200-watt isolating transformers. These transformers must not be grounded. Each PAPI projector is connected to its own dedicated transformer to ensure proper isolation and voltage regulation. For a full PAPI set, that's 4 projectors and 4 transformers. If your system uses a dual-input cable PCU, you will need 8 transformers total, 4 for the primary power circuit and 4 for the secondary power circuit. If you're using a thyristor-based CCR, it is mandatory to set the transformer tap to the maximum setting, usually referred to as 8x8, regardless of the overall CCR power output. This ensures that the PAPI system receives the correct voltage across all steps. Forgetting this step may result in underpower during high brilliancy steps.